Welcome, y'all. Back here today to talk to you about tightening. Alright. CBD. Alright. If you look here, you can see these beautiful colors are poking out from behind this black that we are doing our square knots in. So what we will do before we actually finish the project, while our filler cords are still exposed, is tighten. Let's just push them on up, and then you have no cords peeking. Now, I don't really like to have no cords peeking. I like to have a little bit of that color shining through, but not as much on the top here. I like them to be peeking through on every knot, just because I think it's pretty. Some people don't have it poking out at all. That is their prerogative. But art is art. It's very personal, and that's personally my favorite. I'm not going to say I haven't done it like that. As you can see, I tightened this one up very nicely. You got nothing peeking out, just that pure green. And that is part 3. We're going to have one more part where we talk about the difference between 2 different square knots. The solid yellow and the stripes on the outside. It's all square knots, but this one is just different in the sense that instead of having 2 working cords black, you have 1 working cord of each color. Sounds simple, but there are tricks to it that I will show you in a second.